Can you imagine how much collagen you have in this particular fish head? Look at how beautiful it is and how jiggly.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to steam a grouper fish head, beautiful grouper fish head here. This fish head is actually taken out from a 3 kg grouper, and this is actually half of the fish head. When I order the fish, I actually give two instructions. Number one is to cut the fish head into half. Number two, to leave some meat behind here together with the fish head because Appa loves to eat fish head. My family loves to eat the meat only. So we all can enjoy this, right? This is how you can make order when you buy the whole fish from the seller. Now, how am I going to steam it? I'm using my steamer and sprinkle a little bit of salt on top, put few pieces of ginger on top and at the bottom. And let's put this into the steamer and then we continue with the rest. Okay, so put in the steamer and you can actually steam it for approximately 10 minutes. Okay, if you have a conventional steamer, you can just use medium-high fire. Make sure the water is boiling before you put it in, and then once you put it in, cover it with a lid. Steam it under medium-high heat for at least about 10 minutes. Yeah. So today I'm going to make a Caipo steam fish. Caipo meaning dried radish. And there are two kinds of dried radish that you can find in the market. I usually prefer to use the sweetened dried radish, the tian Caipo for this dish so that it's easier for me to control the flavor. I always find the salty ones is too salty. No matter how much sugar I put in, is like too overly salty. And then some will mix between the salty and the sweetened Caipo. It's really up to you, but to me the easiest is to use 100% sweetened Caipo. I have approximately about 5-6 tablespoons full of Caipo here, and then I also have some garlic, chopped minced garlic, about maybe 2 tablespoons, and 1 chili padi, just to give a little bit of kick. So prepare a wok here, and you can put with or without oil, up to you. At the restaurant, the fastest way they do this is to deep fry. Use a lot of oil and deep fry. Immediately everything will be fried up. But at home, I personally prefer to use either dry roasting or you put in some oil. Both also can. To me, both are alright. So just I did not put any oil, but if I want to put any oil, it's perfectly fine. And you want to use medium heat to slowly saute your Caipo, your Caipo until it is crispy. It will probably take you a couple of minutes. Few things for you to take note when you are sauteing this. It may actually jump up and down. You will start jumping later. So you may want to use a wok which is deep enough. If not, your whole kitchen may become a bit messy because of the jumping Caipo. Right? So keep on sauteing until it is like 70% crispy, and you will notice everything will actually shrink down. Yeah. Only towards the end we will put in the garlic as well as the chili. Keep on stirring. Yeah. So every once in a while, after you stir, then you spread it out to allow it to have better contact on the surface of the wok, so that it can dry out faster. Then you leave it there. You just start seeing some of it started to jump. Then you leave it there for about maybe 10-20 seconds. After that, you stir it again. Then you spread them all over evenly again. Keep on doing this until it becomes crispy. Some people, like I mentioned earlier, they will mix the salty ones and sweetened one together, and maybe about 70% sweetened and 30% salty. Yeah? Or some people will do 50-50 and then they will add some sugar. So it's really up to you how you prefer that particular combination. This is after approximately about 5 minutes. You can notice about 40% of it already started to become crispy, and it has started to shrink as well. Alright, so you have started to see this is approximately about 60%, 70% crispy. I don't mind, I don't need 100% crispy on this. This is my personal preference. Now this is the time where we can actually add in the garlic as well as the chili padi. And let's continue saute this for approximately a minute or two, then it is done. Wow. Oh, super fragrant. But let me tell you, it's going to be a bit choking right after you added the garlic especially. You don't have to put as much garlic as I did. Appa is a garlic person, as you all probably know. Maybe just 1 tablespoon enough for you. I added 2. Wow, super fresh, super fragrant. And look at this. This is beautiful. I'm going to do this one last time. Spread it out. And stir. Right. It's basically done. I'm not adding any salt or sugar here, but if you are using with the salted, if you are using the salted ones, then you may want to adjust and put in a bit of sugar. So I have a small bowl of hot water here. I'm just going to add in some light soy sauce, maybe about 2 tablespoons, and a bit of fish sauce. Done. I don't have to do a lot with this sauce because I already have the Caipo to supplement, to complement the flavor. So this one can be a little bit more diluted, it's perfectly fine. If you prefer darker color, of course you can also add in a little bit of dark soy sauce. Alright, the fish is done. Wow. Look at how beautiful it is. Can you see this? Look at how beautiful it is. Oh, yo. And all this fishy water, we don't want. That is the source of fishiness. So I'm going to move the fish out to a serving plate. See, restaurant always throw away all this steamed fish water because all the fishiness is here. That's how they remove the fishiness of the fish. Can you imagine how much collagen you have in this particular fish head? Look at how beautiful it is and how jiggly. All this, see, all this is the natural collagen. Beautifully done. Beautifully done. So next thing, I am going to pour the steamed fish water. And not forgetting our fried Caipo. Wow, banja with a lot of Caipo. Wow, you will love this fish, I tell you. Ooh, you can. I'm sorry for those who can't eat a lot of rice, but this goes well with white rice. Alright. Let's give it a bit of greens. Some fresh coriander on top. And done. Our Caipo steamed fish is ready. I hope you like my very simple video today. And this is a restaurant dish, but not. Oppa always try to make restaurant dish easy for you so that you can make it at home as well. So if you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.